Okay, so this is a building we're going to be painting. We'll be repairing the bricks like right here, painting this all white, and then this will be blue, white, and then blue, and then white, and then blue. Here's a sample. This is Greek Via. That's eggshell white. They choose Greek Via for the building, so we'll do Greek Via and then blue right up there on top. The same thing all throughout this backside. And then same thing here. We'll be doing the same thing. Replacing a brick up there and then painting it white, Greek Via white with blue accents above the windows, Greek Via white as well. Same thing on this side. We're doing Greek Via white on the bricks and then blue right up above the windows, right there. And repairing any bricks that have cracks, damage, anything like that. And then we're painting that sign right there for the building white as well. So if you have any questions, would like to get a quote for anything else, my name is Rafael. I'm with ATX Stone and Landscaping. We specialize in outdoor kitchens and outdoor living spaces. Contact us today, 512-822-8387.